Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on HUAWEI Enjoy 70X. So you have to start by powering off your device.
Hi, I'm Celia, your smart assistant. I can help you check the weather.
And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds, and your device has to be plugged in. And you can let go of power button once you see your logo on your screen. And you are now in recovery mode, and from here you have to select clear data by using volume buttons and then press power button. Now you have to use volume buttons to move to factory reset and press power button. And now you have to type in yes and press power button to move to factory reset and then press power button. And now use volume buttons to go to back and then press power button, and now move to restart and press power button. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.